This is your code book. In this video we are going to discuss about input and output statements in Python. In real life, to solve every problem we have three steps. The first one is collect the inputs from the user, and step 2 is the process the input, and step 3 is the display the output to the user. So for example, to unlock our mobile phone, the step 1 we should enter the PIN number, and step 2 the process is the comparison. So what you have entered now, that is compared with the stored PIN number. So if both numbers are same, it will allow you to enter the next level. So this is one real example. In Python, these are the two functions. The first one is the input function. The input function is used to accept the input from the end user, and the second function is the print. So the print function is used to display the information to the user. So for example, so after this opening this IDLE, I am going to explain this concept through script mode. So Alt F new file. So the script is open now. So this one is interactive cell and this one is the script file. So I am going to save this one. So in out .py. So the file name is in out.py. So first one, for example, name, we have to get the input from the user. So name is equal to input and then print name. So Control S. So press F5 to run this script. So here look at the left side of this interactive cell. So I am giving ABC. So the output is ABC. So without any information, so it will the input function is ready to accept the information input from the user end. So now I am changed this code. Instead of this input, here we can give prompt. Okay, so what type of information the user has to enter. For example, here I am giving, so I am giving the information prompt, that is or message, enter your name. So you can use either single quotes or double quotes. So Control S, press F5 to run the program. Now look at this here, enter your name. Now I am entering ABC, now ABC. So here again this will gets the input from the user and print the value on the output screen. So now I will modify the program again. So instead of here name, I am printing the message your name is plus. So why I am adding plus means in Python this input function always interprets everything the user enters as a string. So what we have entered, everything considered as a string. So this plus operator in this case combine these two strings. So let me run this code. So after saving this program, press F5. So enter your name. I am pressing ABC. So now you can see the output. Your name is ABC. So this is somewhat meaningful. So remember, the input function is used to get the input from the user. It has to wait for user input, and then print function is used to display the information to the user. And now let me change this code again. So age, okay, I am going to get the user age. So input, in prompt enter your age. So print your age is so control S F5. So enter your age 30. So your age is 30. So now I am going to update this age value. Okay, for example, age is equal to age plus 10. Okay, so after that I am printing this updated age value on the output screen. So control S, press F5 to run this code. So enter your age. After entering this one, we have some errors. Okay, so because here, as I told earlier, in Python interprets every input as a string. So here we are going to add this age plus this 10. Here 10 is an integer, age is a string. So we cannot perform, or we can only concatenate str, not in integer int. So there is a problem here, the type error. So what we have to do for this rectify this problem? So again we have a special function called int. So let me show that one. So the function is int. So what is the use of this function? This function converts a string representation of a number to the numerical representation. So here we can use the type of this age using type function. What is the data type of that object? So print, we have a special function type age. So control S, I am pressing F5. So enter the age. Here you can see the type of that object is string. Okay, the data type is the string. That's why we cannot perform that addition operation. Okay, if you want to perform, or if you want to convert the string into numerical representation, we have a function int. Okay, for that, so now after printing this one, I will declare one variable x is equal to int of the object name, that is age. Okay, so control S. If I am running this code, enter age. Okay, so now this type of x. Okay, I will change here, type of x. So F5, enter your age 30. So now you can see the object, that is the x object belongs to integer data type. Okay, so using this integer function, I have converted this string representation into numerical representation. Now I can perform some addition operation with this x. For example, x is equal to x plus 1. So now I am printing that x value. So x, control S, F5, enter your age 30. So now you can see the value is updated. We can perform that arithmetic operations. Okay, so now I modify this code. Instead of using here, so while reading that input we can change immediately. Okay, so here itself we can convert. After reading the input, we must using this integer int function, we convert the string into integer and stored into that object age. Okay, so now I converted into integer. Okay, so after this one I will run this code. So enter your age. Okay, so again the problem is type error. Okay, because the age is converted into the input value is converted into integer, and then here in this printf statement we are combining two strings. It is not possible. Okay, so now instead of plus we can give comma. So control S, F5. So here now it will work. Okay, so this is the way to convert the string representation into numerical representation. Okay, so let me write one more example. So I am going to write the code for the example. Okay, so addition of two numbers. Let me write the code for addition of two numbers. So addition of two numbers. First one, x is equal to input enter first number, so y, enter second number, z is equal to x plus y, and print sum equal to comma set. So I am saving this code. Okay, so the file name is sad.py. So if you are pressing F5, so enter first number, I am giving 10, enter second number, I am giving 5. So sum is 105. So here the problem is the Python interprets both x and y as a string. So here we have used the statement is z is equal to x plus y. So it combines these two strings. Okay, so this one is not a numerical representation. This is a string representation. That's why we got output 105. So to change this one, I am adding here int function. Similarly, the second line, int. So let's see, control S, F5. So first number is 10, second number is 5. So then now the sum is 15. So this is the performing addition of two numbers using Python. Again, instead of this line, we can directly give the expression in print statement. So x plus y. This code also works. Control S, F5. Enter the first number 10 and second number 5. So 15. So this is the program for addition of two numbers using Python. Then I have added this this code. Okay, so copy this code. So visualization of this code. Okay, addition of two numbers. So I will paste this link in description. So you just after opening this link, click visualize execution. So this is our code. So now this next line to execute, this is command line, so interpreter will skip that line. So here in the second line enter the number. Okay, so I am giving first number 10, submit, and then here you can see the x is object is created and that value is 10, and then now y input enter second number, so I am giving 5, press submit. So you can see another object is created, the value is 5, and then the next line to execute is that is equal to x plus y. So click next button. So look at here, the third object is created, set, and that value is 15. So now the fifth line is ready to execute. Click next button. You can see the output. So this is the visualization of this code. So the link is available in the description. And here guess your answer. What is the output of this code if my input value is equal to 10? Okay, so write your answers in comment section. So far we have discussed input output statements in Python. Thank you.